Hello everyone, today we are going to understand RT-PCR for COVID-19 detection with respect to their introduction, their process and their advantage and disadvantage. Introduction. SARS-CoV-2 is a single-stranded positive-sense RNA virus. Since its entire genetic sequence was uploaded to the GIST platform on January 10, 2020, companies and research groups in a matter of weeks have developed a range of diagnostic kits for COVID-19. The availability of sequence data has facilitated the design of primers and probes needed for the development of SARS-CoV-2 specific testing. Now here, SARS-CoV-2 is a positive sense RNA virus. It is a single-stranded one. Positive sense RNA virus means what? The RNA which contains positive strand, that is 5' to 3' direction, and strand encodes for the mRNA and proteins. On 10th January 2020, industries and researchers got the COVID-19 sequence, and according to that, they have developed the COVID kits. They have also developed the primers and probes required for the testing. RT-PCR relies on its ability to amplify a tiny amount of viral genetic material in a sample, and it is considered to be the gold standard for identification of SARS-CoV-2 virus. Currently, RT-PCR tests for the COVID-19 genetical users are collected from the upper respiratory system using swabs. In addition, a few studies have also been done using serum, stool, and ocular secretions. Recently, the Rutgers Clinical Genomic Laboratory developed an RT-PCR assay that uses self-collected saliva samples, which is very quick and less painful than samples. Lowers risk the healthcare providers and may enable higher volume testing. Now here in the COVID-19 detection process, RT-PCR proved themselves very efficient. In RT-PCR, mainly upper respiratory swabs are used as a sample. Not only upper respiratory swabs but also serum, stool and ocular secretions are also used. For example, Rutgers Clinical Lab developed an RT-PCR assay where they used self-collected saliva samples. According to them, this process or this method is very quick and very easy, and here there is no healthcare disadvantages. RT-PCR starts with the laboratory conversion of viral genomic RNA into DNA with the help of reverse transcriptase. This reaction further amplifies with the help of primers, DNTPs and enzymes. In real-time PCR, amplification of DNA is monitored in real time as the PCR reaction progresses. This is done by the using of fluorescent dye. An automated system then repeats the amplification process for about 40 cycles until the viral cDNA can be detected, usually a fluorescent or electrical signal. Now let's see how it processes. Now see, this is the first one. This is the viral RNA, and even when it comes in contact with the primer, reverse transcriptase and DNTPs, it further processed for the cDNA, and at the end there will be the plenty of DNA molecules. Disadvantage of RT-PCR. Now first disadvantage of RT-PCR, it is very expensive, and for the operation of the RT-PCR, like high skilled laboratory persons are required, and the results, they will take 2 days to generate results. So this is very it is not efficient in nature and timelines also. Thank you.